In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to adjust paragraph spacing in Word. Make sure that the cursor is placed within the paragraph that you want to adjust the formatting on. If you want to adjust spacing of the whole document, press Ctrl and A on the keyboard to select the whole document. Make sure that you are in the Home tab. Find the paragraph area and click on the Line and Paragraph Spacing icon. In the menu that appears, you will see several spacing options. Mouse over each one to see what effect it would have on your text. Here, we will set it to double line spacing by clicking 2.0. If you want to change the space that appears before or after a paragraph, click on the icon once again and mouse over the bottom two options to see their effect. Here, we will remove a space after the paragraph by clicking on that option. To access more advanced options relating to paragraph settings, right-click within the paragraph that you want to edit and click Paragraph in the menu that appears. In the spacing section of the window that appears, you can see several options. When you change these, you will see a preview below, and simply click OK to apply these changes to your document, and that is how to change paragraph spacing in Word.